Also known as Irish moss, sea moss is a kind of red algae that is popular for being a rich source of nutrients and minerals. Sea moss is found in the market in several forms, including ground and dried. It can also be found in droppers or pills. However, most people tend to wonder how much sea moss to take daily. According to Encyclopedia Britannica, sea moss originates from some parts of North America. It has been used by various cultures in the world to boost health. For thousands of years now, sea moss has become part of the diet for most households. This is because of the health benefits it offers. I love sea moss because it helps to boost my immunity. How much sea moss to take daily? Appropriate dosage. The recommended daily dosage of sea moss is approximately 1 to 2 tablespoons or 4 to 8 grams. It is essential to consume sea moss in moderation. This is because sea moss is loaded with different nutrients and minerals, including iodine. Therefore, there is a need for homeostasis, which balances the nutrients for the body to function optimally. With the right dosage, sea moss can offer tremendous health benefits. The level of iodine in sea moss can vary depending on where the Irish moss is from. The recommended iodine daily intake is 150 micrograms, according to the FDA. If you intend to use it as a tincture like the organic Irish moss, you should take 1 to 4 milliliters of sea moss 3 times a day. This translates to about 3 droppers of the sea moss tincture once each day. Hence, it is significant to check the nutrition label to determine the amount of iodine in the serving. This is especially important if you are concerned about iodine consumption. Additionally, you should consult with your doctor or dietitian to suggest the right dosage, length of use, and frequency. Can you consume too much sea moss? Side effects. While it is possible to consume too much sea moss, it is not recommendable. Sea moss is a rich source of iodine, which helps produce thyroid hormones and the development of healthy breast tissue. According to the National Institutes of Health, thyroid production encourages brain and bone development during pregnancy and regulates metabolism. However, consuming too much sea moss will increase the iodine intake, which can have adverse side effects. Excessive iodine intake and low iodine can throw homeostasis out of whack. Unfortunately, sea moss is not regulated like prescription drugs since they are sold in the market as dietary supplements. High iodine intake. According to the Cleveland Clinic, taking high levels of iodine is likely to trigger hypothyroidism, a condition caused by inadequate thyroid hormone production by the thyroid. Also, NHI believes that taking too much sea moss can be a leading cause of thyroid disorders because of the high iodine levels. It can cause thyroid conditions like thyroid gland inflammation, thyroid cancer, and goiter. Contains laxative properties. Sea moss has laxative properties, which can cause excessive diarrhea when overindulged. This makes it great for people who have a bad bowel movement. Where to buy sea moss? First, you need to find a quality sea moss. It can be wild-crafted or pool-grown sea moss. Then choose the product that best suits your lifestyle. Wixer Natural Sea Moss Supreme Capsules, Natural Irish Sea Moss and Bladderwrack with burdock pills. Happy Fox Registered Wild-Crafted Sea Moss, harvested from the ocean, washed in fresh water to remove salt and sand, drying in the sun, and packaged. Blue Mayo Organic Sea Moss, wild harvested from Jamaican coast. Organic Earth Irish Sea Moss Powder, wild-crafted Irish sea moss bladderwrack plus burdock root powder. Organic sea moss gel, sea moss from the Bahamas. As mentioned previously, sea moss has numerous health benefits to the body. However, you should note that taking too much can cause an imbalance to your body, which comes with side effects. We hope that you find this video useful if you intend to add sea moss to your diet. Do not hesitate to comment below if you have further questions and we will get back to you promptly. If you intend to use sea moss, it is advisable to take the recommended quantity of 1 to 2 tablespoons of sea moss per day. Please consult your physician before using any form of sea moss, whether it is sea moss gel, capsules, sea moss powder, or tinctures. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.